Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host website using nginx on the EC2 instance. But instead of storing the website files locally, we will use Amazon S3 files as our storages. So previous topic, we already talked about how we can able to create the S3 file system and how to create EC2 machine, how to create the IAM role attached to the EC2 machine, how we can able to access it, same thing, right? So those things we have done it, right? So our website, now we are talking about how we can able to store our website files into the S3 and access it from the EC2. So let's get started. So first, I already created an S3 file system. Okay. So then we are going to mount it and we will install the nginx and all the packages. Let's do it now. So now what I'm going to do, let's verify it. So my already S3 file system, it is already in the place. Let me show it you. So here is my file system. The last session I have created, it is available. Now what I will do, I'll just go to EC2 and let's create the EC2 machine, launch instance, and I'll be selecting by default everything. And here I'll be selecting one of the subnet here, and I'm existing using the security group. And if you come down below, there is a S3 file system. Just select it, refresh it, and add the file system automatically. The file system and point, everything it is available. It is attached. And we are going to select the IAM role also. So why do we require to access the S3 file system? And if you are able to see it, to mount the command, so you can just copy and paste it in the somewhere. Okay. So I'll be copying everything and I'll keep it somewhere else in the notepad. And let me launch instance. So let me go back to here. So this will take at least 1 minute to launch the instance at the to up the server. Let's refresh it. Let's connect it. And let me connect it here. So earlier, the previous session, what I've done it. So I have selected the file system and I have attached the machine, right? So I used these steps to mount it, right? So this time, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use this one because we are already having a command everything, right? So we are not going to use these steps. What we are going to do, so while creating the EC2 machine, we got the command, right? So what I'm going to do, so using that command I'm doing, okay, what I'm doing, I'm just copying the entire things which is already given it, right? So I'm just copied. Let me try to execute it here. So there is no changes, okay? The steps, everything, but I'm showing differently. That's it. So you can able to use a file system to attach and execute the command, same thing. But here also we can able to do it. Both the way you can able to do it, right? So I'm creating the directory and now I'll try to mount it, right? So let's clear it. Let me verify df-h. So we are able to see that the mount point got here. Okay, now let me go inside the here. I'm going to use it sudo. I'll go inside this mount point, make it ls. So as of now, there is no files, right? Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create the one of the file. Okay. And so once it is created, we are able to see it here, right? So now I wanted to see it in the S3 bucket, right? Because the files saved it somewhere else, right? Okay. So it should be shows here. Okay. So this will take some time to show it. Okay. So in the meantime, what we can do, let's add the some content onto the file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use a command called echo. So it is saying permission denied, right? Okay, let me use it. Let me make this yes. Okay, it is created. Let me vi demo. So it is showing read only. Let's use it. Let's exit from here and sudo vi and demo. Okay, I'm going to just add it some content. Let me save it. W ls sudo cat demo. I'm just checking the content. That's it. Okay. So we have added content, everything, right? Let me make it ls once. Okay, now we are able to see the demo.txt. Okay, let me go and refresh it here. At least it should shows the file here. So maybe this will take some time. In the meantime, what we can do, let's copy the file, okay, from demo to txt file. So we are already created demo, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute the command to copy it and let me make it ls. Okay, so we are able to see the two files. Now let me refresh it. At least should shows. If it is not showing, it will take some time. Let's wait for here. So what we can do, this will take some time. In the meantime, what we can do, let's clear it. The files will be same only. Okay. In the meantime, we'll try to install the nginx, right? Let's do it. Let's try to install the nginx. Because I have tried it multiple times, and here it will take some time to fetch the file. Now let me add the start the nginx. Okay, now let me list it. Okay, is it showing history? Oh, we are not into that exactly. Okay, let me see it. Where we are there. Okay, we are not in the exactly the path. Okay, now we go it. So the ls. Okay, that's fine. We are in the present directory, but we are already in the ls. Sorry, ls. That's fine. We are in the correct path. Now what I will do, let's verify it. Okay, under the this amount point. Okay, so there is no files, right? Now we are going to create the files. So I'm just adding the content here. Let me save it. So once it is saved, I need to just open the nginx configuration here because I need to change the path. So you need to go to root. Just remove this one. So we need to give it correct path, right? Which is a one, our file system, right? Let's delete entire thing. I'm pasting. I'll exit from here. Let me save it. Let me restart the file. Okay, once it is restarted, let me access the website. Okay, so now we are able to see our website, whatever we have added, the content, everything, right? But so website, everything we are able to see it. But the content, we need to see it, right? Just refresh it. Are you able to see it? The index.html, it is already showing. Okay. So let me see it why our demo.txt file is not there. Let me cd. Let me go to again. ls. Okay, so we have created these files wrongly, right? That is why. Okay, let me create it. Not a problem. Let me create the file. Let me add the content. Okay, so let's create a file. vi demo sudo vi demo.txt. Let's add some content. So while creating the files, where it is there, you need to just verify it. Okay, I've created it wrongly. That is why we're not able to see it. Let me try to WQ. That is saying wrongly, right? That's fine. Okay, I'm just trying to copy from whatever there is a content. I'll paste it here. That means I'm just trying to copy it. Okay, now we can verify it. Two files will be there. Okay, so now let's go to history bucket. Let's refresh it. So this will take some time to to show it here. So let's wait for at least 1 minute. In the meantime, let's create a one more file here. Oh, sorry. Touch command. While executing the command, make sure that you are executing correct. So vi. Just add the content. Save it. Error record reading the files. That's fine. Let's verify it. All these files are showing here. Let me see it. At least, yeah. Are you able to see it? All the files are created. So I have created multiple times, right? That is the reason these are all the, it is showing here. Okay. So that is all about S3 files, how we can able to host it uh, locally, or how to host our website on under the exactly the S3 file system. No need to keep anything in the local machine. Everything will be there in the static in the S3 file system only. So that is all for the today's session. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.